Welcome to Product Guide Hub. The best travel essentials are probably one of the most crucial elements for any woman embarking on an adventure, whether it's a weekend getaway or a globetrotting expedition. Ensuring you have the right gear can transform a potentially stressful trip into a seamless and enjoyable experience, allowing you to focus on making memories rather than worrying about what you packed or forgot. Number 5. BAGSMART Large Toiletry Bag. Introducing the BAGSMART Large Toiletry Bag, your perfect travel companion. Keep all your essentials neatly organized and easily accessible wherever you go. This bag features a convenient hanging hook, allowing you to easily hang it in any bathroom. Maximize your space and keep your toiletries within reach. Crafted with water-resistant material, it protects your belongings from spills and splashes. No more worrying about leaks or damage to your items. Designed to hold a variety of items, from shampoo bottles to makeup. It easily accommodates full-sized containers, ensuring you have everything you need. This versatile organizer is ideal for all your travel accessories and toiletries. Make your trips more comfortable and stress-free with this essential bag. What we like. This toiletry bag is perfect for keeping all your essentials organized and accessible. Its water-resistant material means no worries about spills, and the hanging hook makes it ideal for small hotel bathrooms. If you're looking for a convenient way to store full-size toiletries and makeup, this is a fantastic choice for your next trip. What people say. The hanging hook is a game changer. It makes it so easy to access everything without digging through my suitcase or cluttering the bathroom counter. The compartments are thoughtfully laid out, with plenty of space for full-size toiletries, makeup, and smaller essentials. I also appreciate that it's water-resistant. It gives me peace of mind in case anything spills. This is a lifesaver when traveling. It fits all my skincare, makeup, phone chargers, earbuds all in one bag. Place this in your personal bag under the airplane seat and it's total organization at your fingertips. Number 4. BAGAIL 8 Set Packing Cubes, Cream. Crafted from smooth and durable fabric, these cubes protect your clothes from wrinkles and stains. Their high-performance, water-repellent feature ensures your belongings stay safe from spills and wear and tear during your travels. Designed with lightweight fabric, they keep your clothes neatly stored without adding bulk. The double-way zipper with an extended cord makes them easy to use, while the mesh top panel helps identify contents quickly. Effortlessly separate your clothes with these multi-sized organizers. They help you make full use of your luggage space, saving you time by preventing misplaced items. These versatile organizers fit various suitcase sizes and can even be used in carry-on bags, backpacks, or duffels. They are perfect for family breaks, business trips, vacations, and outdoor adventures. Streamline your packing and enjoy easier access to your belongings. These cubes maximize your travel comfort by efficiently sorting and organizing your clothes, saving you valuable time and effort. What we like. Tired of rummaging through your suitcase? These packing cubes are designed to keep your clothes neat, wrinkle-free, and easy to find. Their lightweight yet durable fabric ensures your luggage isn't weighed down. If you value organized packing and want to maximize space in your luggage, these are a game changer for any type of travel. What people say. The fabric feels durable, the zippers work smoothly, and the mesh top makes it easy to see what's inside without digging through everything. The zip cubes hold a surprising amount, allowing me to pack more efficiently. They're durable, easy to wipe clean, and the different size cubes are perfect for organizing my entire family's clothes. The material is smooth and relatively wipeable, as well as an ideal thickness, lightweight but still thick and durable. The zips are durable, smooth and easy to use. Number 3. LISEN 4-in-1 Retractable Car Charger. Don't let a dead battery stop your adventure. This essential car charger keeps all your devices powered up, no matter where you're going. Tired of messy cables? This charger features dual retractable cords, extending up to 31.5 inches, for a clean and organized car interior. With multiple ports, including USB-C and USB-A, it can charge up to 4 devices simultaneously at high speeds. It's compatible with most phones and tablets. Its shock-proof design and adjustable angle ensure stable power delivery even on rough roads. It's the perfect companion for any journey. Looking for a thoughtful gift? This charger is ideal for anyone who loves to travel or simply wants a clutter-free car. It's a practical present for any occasion. We stand by our product with a 24-month replacement promise and responsive customer support, ensuring your satisfaction. What we like. Never worry about a dead phone on the road again with this versatile car charger. It features multiple ports and retractable cables to keep your car clutter-free. If you're a frequent road tripper or just want a tidy car interior with reliable power, this is an essential accessory for staying connected. What people say. The retractable cord is smooth and sturdy. There are no more tangled mess or cords flopping around the console. It has both built-in USBs cables and one port of each cable type. Really enjoy this product and definitely worth the buy for the price. It has two built-in cables, one USB-C and one Lightning, which makes it perfect for mixed setups like mine, Pixel 8 Pro and iPhone 13. Both cables extend to a practical length and retract smoothly, so there's never a mess of wires hanging around the console. Number 2. Benevolence LA Plush Velvet Jewelry Box. Looking for the ideal gift for the special woman in your life? This elegant jewelry box is thoughtfully designed and beautifully packaged, making it a perfect present for any occasion. Crafted from high-quality velvet, this storage box offers a stylish and functional design. It features a secret compartment for earrings and a built-in mirror, all with a chic gold zipper. Keep your necklaces and bracelets perfectly organized on the go. With multiple slots and compartments, it ensures your jewelry stays neat and tangle-free wherever you travel. Measuring just 3.75 inches, this mini organizer fits easily into your handbag or luggage. It's surprisingly spacious, making it an essential travel companion. This stylish and functional travel organizer has been recognized by top media outlets, including Oprah's Favorite Things. It's the ultimate portable jewelry holder. Arriving in branded packaging, this jewelry box is immediately giftable. It's the perfect thoughtful present for birthdays or any special celebration. What we like. Keep your precious jewelry safe and organized while on the go with this elegant travel case. It features a luxurious velvet finish, a built-in mirror, and compartments designed to prevent tangles. If you love your jewelry and want to ensure it stays pristine during your travels, this is the perfect stylish solution. What people say. The design is very practical and the material is durable, making it suitable for long-term use. It has multiple compartments that help organize belongings effectively, and the size is just right for travel. The product is lightweight and easy to carry, which is a great advantage when traveling. Number 1. BAGSMART Foldable Travel Jewelry Organizer Mini. This compact jewelry organizer is designed for travel. It's incredibly lightweight, making it easy to pack without adding bulk. Crafted from eco-friendly polyester with a quilted cotton finish, it offers a soft touch. The stitching pattern adds a touch of elegance. It features 5 distinct zones to keep your accessories organized. There's a special band for rings, a panel for earrings, and straps for necklaces. Keep your precious items like rings, necklaces, and bracelets safe and tangle-free. It also includes a visible zip pouch and a long zip pocket for smaller valuables. This functional case is perfect for business trips, vacations, or any outdoor adventure. It's also a thoughtful gift for friends and family. What we like. This jewelry organizer offers a smart way to store your rings, necklaces, and earrings without them getting tangled. Its foldable design makes it incredibly portable, fitting easily into any bag. If you need a functional yet compact organizer for your jewelry on short trips or business travel, this is an excellent option. What people say. The case is compact but has plenty of compartments to keep necklaces, rings, earrings, and bracelets neatly separated. The material feels sturdy and protective, so delicate pieces don't get scratched or tangled during travel. It has room for rings, earrings, bracelets and necklaces and keeps them all organized and free from tangling. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.